Welcome to Research Talks. In this video, we will see if you purchase latest iPhone 16 Pro Plus or Pro Max, and if you are not able to use Apple Intelligence, so how to use and what is new in Apple Intelligence, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. If I say hey Siri, so look at this, the Apple Intelligence is activated here in my iPhone 16 Pro Max. And inside the Europe, currently I'm living in Copenhagen, Denmark, still my Apple Intelligence is working here. So how I activate this one, it's very simple process. First of all, you need to enter the setting, general, and here the software update. So I'm not using currently in a stable version, I'm accessing currently in a beta version. That point of view, I'm accessing Apple Intelligence my iPhone. If you update as a beta version and still is not showing in your phone, so you need to enter here first option, language and region section. Language and region section point of view, I select by default language is English. Prime language you need to select as English language, and here currently I am selecting Denmark, but if still is not available, you just simply select here in the United States and then go back. This is a very simple process. Still Apple Intelligence is not working in your phone, so just simply click here in the Siri menu, and here the select the language. First language you need to select here United States English, and after that you can very easily access the Apple Intelligence Siri here in your iPhone, no matter which types of model you are using. Accordingly, after that you can very easily access. You just simply press here, hey Siri, tell me about Research Rocks YouTube channel related information. So look at this, the information is coming here. Next tips here, if you use mail application, if you simply tab here, enter the Gmail, and you can see here I just simply tab here randomly here. This is one of the email, and look at this, the top of the screen, summarize features they are introducing. You can very easily read 2-3 lines if the couple of email you are receiving from this specific person. So you just simply read 2-3 line and understand which types of email conversation is going on here. Next, if you use Apple Intelligence, so this is a Apple Intelligence note application, and here look at this, they are introducing by default writing tool, and this writing tool comes from the Apple Intelligence. You just simply select the entire paragraph, and here the option is coming here. You can rewrite, friendly, professional, casual, summarize, key point, list and table. You can very easily convert the entire data from this format. You can use this one and enjoy the features. And after that, if you message something like this and you want paraphrasing this entire message, so here if you select and writing tool is coming here. Inside the writing tool also coming here like a friendly, you need to convert entire text as a friendly format, and then original or rewrite. So here I just simply go here rewrite, and that's it, done. And after that you can very easily send this message. Before send here, the Apple Intelligence logo is coming here. You tab here and then access, and that's it. This features they are introducing in Gmail application also. You just simply type here the entire paragraph and here select and then writing tool, and you can very easily rewrite entire the email related information. That is the beauty of Apple Intelligence, and you can use these tips and tricks. Add first of all Apple Intelligence in your iPhone, and after that you can use Apple Intelligence of different location, different application, and improve your skills or enjoy the Apple Intelligence feature. If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.